Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some mini truck mods going on. Since the last mini truck video did so well, we're upgrading it some more. So I'll show you guys what we got going on. I pulled my door handle a little bit too hard recently, and I snapped off my OEM handle. Not a big deal though. One of my buddies has a 3D printer. We'll get into that in just a second. Also, I got some brand new tires. The lovely red rims are gonna get some fresh rubber. If you check out my Super Pro ratchet strap back here, we had a little malfunction recently. My hood pin snapped off, so we got to get one of them ordered up. So I got some buddies that live right down the road from me. They actually work on Nissan Datsuns, if you're familiar with those. They got a super sweet compound. I'm waiting on Miller to show up. He's always on Millsy Moto time, but we're gonna get on there and we're gonna get the tires put on from them. But first, we're gonna kick you into today's video sponsor. Come check it out. Alright, so the sponsor of today's video is actually the Parts Machine. Now they make all kinds of Pitbike parts, anything for KLXs, CRFs, 125s, 110s, doesn't matter. They're big Pitbike guys. But anyway, nobody really makes the handles that I need for my mini truck, so I hit him up. I found a file online and sent it to him, and this is what he came up with. So we got some brand new custom Parts Machine handles. We're gonna get those installed on the mini truck. My brother also has a 3D printer at his job, so he made us some custom colors. We got red and gray. Now, these gray actually match the stock handles, like almost perfect. However, I'll show you in a little bit, but the file just wasn't there. My buddy at the Parts Machine cleaned up the file, and these look super pro. Well, let me show you something else they got. Like I said, he makes Pitbike parts, so we got sprocket covers. He can even custom engrave your name on it. Super pro. Fork cap covers. Check it out, the Parts Machine. Now, he gave me this a while back. I've just been slacking because I'm a terrible friend. The Parts Machine. They make gas caps, they make air filter covers, they make all kinds of cool stuff. I'll link his company in the description. You can go pick parts up at Keystonecycleparts right there. I'll link them in the description as well. Without further ado, let's get back to the video and get these installed. Options for days. Check it out, we got gray, red, black. Dude, dot. The Parts Machine. Dude.
It looked like Miami Vice rolling in here.
Dude, what do we got here? Drop the top on the Beamer, bro? Dude, pulling up with style. Whew. Yeah, that's what you get when you buy an old vehicle, right?
Yeah, that's true. I know a lot about that.
Hey, wonder what old Millsy's doing, man. He's probably talking to his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. So we just got the handles installed on the truck. Check it out. See if we can get the logo focused in there. The Parts Machine. I didn't even ask him to do that, but that's service right there. Got to represent you boys. Got the matching one on the other side. Clean. We got the color options in case we get bored. Look at how close the colors were from the stock one. This is the stock one. This is the one my brother made me. If you look really close, you can kind of see the imperfections a little bit in the file that I found online. It was a free file. You can't ask for much, but my man cleaned it up. Got him looking super fresh. Dude, I thought we said 11 o'clock. Brother.
Hey, buddy, it's been a day.
Been a day?
Been a day.
I see you got the drop top. We're gonna go slide that thing around later or what, man?
After this weekend, I don't think he's doing anything dangerous.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Ain't nobody ever touching another single piece of the car.
Oh boy. Check out my new door handles, bro.
Shoo-wee! I just rip it off.
Right?
Dude.
Don't worry.
That's how the other one broke.
It's okay because he's got options. We got,
right?
Look at that one.
Oh, you didn't do the red? To match the wheels, buddy?
You know, I thought about it, but you know, the wheels might change colors soon, so.
Oh, is that some foreshadowing?
Dude, you look good in that thing, bro.
Where's the steering wheel at? Oh.
All right, well, we got our handles on. We got our tires loaded up in the back of the truck. I'm hungry. Miller, you're hungry. Hey, Jesus, you're hungry. So we're gonna go get some lunch, and we'll pick you up the Datsun, boys. Gates open, boys. Let's pull on in. Oh, yeah. Well, brother, we're here. I pulled in the hill, man. But y'all had the door shut.
Man? I'm Tyler. Nice to meet you.
Jake?
So those are going on to these?
Those are going on here.
Oh, okay.
They got these things lined up. If you're anywhere in the country, you got a Datsun, you need it worked on, they'll come pick it up. You can come bring it here, but they'll get you dialed in. But right now, I'm gonna get the thing pulled into the shop, and they're gonna get the tires put on the mini truck for us. You guys can't tell by the rooster, we just got back home. Huge shout out to the Datsun house for getting me dialed in, getting the tires put on the mini truck. Dude, check it out. So I went with the Toyo Open Countries. It's actually just what I got the best deal off eBay on. The stock wheel size on these things are 12 inches. They're kind of tough to actually find tires for in general, but dude, check out the side profile. These things look dialed in. Way more meatier than the stock tires. My main reason in the first place was because these were dry rotted. So the tires look super sick. I'm pretty happy with how they came out. They look mean. They ride down the road so much better. Like, suspension will make a huge difference, but the problem is nobody really makes suspension for these things. At least not the Subarus. Not to my knowledge, at least. So if you're knowledgeable with these things, if you're watching the video and you got Subaru Sambar and you've modded the suspension and it held together and it's not just like some hack job, it's like a professional looking clean job, shoot me a message, leave me a comment, and let me know. I'd be down to do the same thing. We're gonna get the strap cleaned up back here. Also, huge shout out to Bryan with the parts machine. If you're watching the video and you're into the Pitbike deal, the parts machine has got you covered. I was also thinking I might have to get with the parts machine and get them to make me some matching handles for the window and the doorknobs. I think they look pretty sweet. I'm looking to maybe try and have somebody redo my seats. I was thinking about maybe getting some like diamond stitch seating, maybe even get matching material on the door panels. I don't know yet. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the newer mods for the mini truck. We got a lot of big things coming. I got my 250 motor that's all shined up, cleaned up. I'm about to drop it off and get it rebuilt. We got the motor pulled out of Miller's bike. Stay tuned to his channel because he's got a whole lot of cool things coming. I'll also be at Tomahawk. If you see me there, come say what's up. But as always, you guys know the deal. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Always wanted to jump over one of my vehicles.